tweaking, bro. Maybe tweaking. Before what that though? Puki nang inang gulang yun. Upstairs though. Upstairs dog. Upstairs bro. Ang mga ibon na lumilipad ay mahal ng Diyos. She shouldn't have done that in your bed. She deserves to be punished. Sino yun? Sino yun? What am I gonna do to you, bro? Puki ng inang taon ito, guys. Ang mga ibon na may spaghetti, spaghetti meatballs. Meatballs. Where we going, homie? Tao po, homie. What's up, homie? Homie! Let's see. Oh, yo. Nanood tayo ng movie. Movie time. Movie time. Chapter 4. Homie. Yeah, homie. Hindi ko buksan yan doon, pero nakalock. Hindi ko siya mapabossing. Yo, homie, what you doing, homie? I say, homie. What we gonna do here, homie? Open the door, homie. Shit, homie. Ano yung ginagaya ng cruise? Acrobar, yeah. Got it, I got it, bro. So, saan? Dito. I got you, homie. Got you, homie. You wanna be free? Ooh, ganda niya, guys. Sorry, bad. Yo, hindi mga ganun kagwapo, pre, pero I'm saying, you know, what we on tonight? Nah? Yeah, then bro. Yo, homie, can I... Dito. Yo, the safe is open. Hindi na safe. Madali. Kinang ina mo pa. Pero ba't naman natin? Steven. No, ugly motherfucker. Lulay ka, scared. Mukha ba ako natakot, pare? Ay, mga mahabang ganito eh. Mga manggugulat eh. Sabi ko yun. Hindi may gonna do, you know. Yo, it's my dream to do this, bro.